gorgeous? Want to have voluminous, bouncy, super quick and super easy blowout hairstyle? And you can do it yourself at home? I bet you do. For that guys, we're gonna need super high speed and lightweight hairdryer. And also not damaging our hair. And this time, I got this guys. And we will see this hairdryer gonna be my favorite and worth it. Let's unboxing. Ooh, operating instruction. Ooh, they wrapped it real nicely. Oh my god, it's a velvet inside. Super lightweight for sure. First impressions. And ooh, this is the magnetic suction nozzle. Will be magnetic. And pretty strong for sure. Fantastic. Pretty. Alright, power on guys. We're gonna try how speed this Bopcal hairdryer and how smart it is. Over here guys, the on and off switch has 2 speed settings, fast speed and gentle speed. Definitely super high speed. I'm so impressed with this guys. This is a touch LED intelligent display. Wow, I never have that hairdryer this smart, touch screen, like everything is touch screen right now. Fantastic. Red is high and then blue is low. And then over here guys, 4 heat modes. Super smart, really, I'm so impressed. Alright, now time to show you some tricks and tips to easiest, fastest blowout hairstyle. Let's go! So this is my hair dry around 80%, and don't forget always your leave-in conditioner and hair protector. Don't forget the hair protector. And of course brush, some clips. Guys, I almost forget to tell you, and this is over here. You're gonna very easy to clean them if any hair stuck over here. And you see, it's very easy to pull off. And then also magnetic, super cool. So this time I'm gonna use the gentle speed and with a hot temperature. This is the tips guys. Let's put your hair over here and roll it.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it. drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm not giving up. Dream, dream, dream. Dream,
So here's the final result, guys. I love it. So Bopcal Hairdryer, guys, definitely make my blowout hairstyle so much faster, so much easier. You can see bouncy and still moisture, not dry at all. I love it because of lightweight and also super high speed, plus with the Ionic technology, not gonna damage our hair. So I would really like to recommend this Bopcal hairdryer, guys. Please check the link at the description box for this Bopcal hairdryer. And I hope my tips for blowout hairstyle useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you and I will see you soon.